Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today, oh my goodness, it's September. Yes, it is September, family. I am so excited, and we are going to get into my September tray. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances, body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. But we are all family around here. Come on and join the village. Come on, subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below if you love fragrances and body cares, and if you like to chat it up, okay? Because that's what we do around here, and we have fun, honey. We have fun around here. But family, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. My brothers, sisters, cousins, grandma, auntie, uncle, I just hope you all are doing well. So I'm just gonna get right into my September tray. Honey, we're gonna get into my trip that I just took to New Orleans. Yes, I couldn't tell you all because I didn't know, if Chucky was gonna get me. But but yes, I took a much needed little mini vacation, I would say, to New Orleans, and I had a ball. But we're going to get into that on another video because I did pick up some fragrances. And actually, let's talk about one of those that I picked up. I picked up Sunkissed Hibiscus from Nest, this beauty right here. So this is your coconut, gardenia, and amber fragrance. I am just so excited to have this a part of my collection. I'm excited to wear that beauty. So right in front, we have Bond number 9, Tribeca, okay? When I was in New Orleans, oh my gosh, I was in fragrance heaven in Saks Fifth Avenue. I had a really great time. I did see Greenwich Village. I did sniff Greenwich Village. It is on the wish list. Yeah, it's on the wish list. So, enough said about that. But this is Bond number 9, Tribeca. I love this cacao, hazelnut, jasmine, caramel fragrance. It is just a amazing beauty. I feel like you can wear it, to me, all year round. It's just a winner in my book. Some people say they love it. Some people say they hate it. And if you don't like it, I'm sorry ahead of time, but I do love it. Okay. And we have this beauty right here. This is the white coconut caramel. I decided to put a Bath and Body Works spray on my tray. I normally don't, but I decided to put it on my tray just because I am so in love with it, and I feel like the vibes that my tray is giving, I can layer it with so many of these fragrances, so I can have some layering combinations. I can create my own scent of the day with this beauty. So I'm just gonna give it a try to see how it works, okay? Next up, repeat, I got Daisy Marc Jacobs Daze, and I'll tell you why I have it on repeat, because I didn't get to wear it. Your sis did not get to wear it. So this is your citrus fruity fragrance. So if you're into that type of vibe, you would probably love this. But I am going to give it another go. To see if I am feeling it, because I want to get some more citrus fragrance in before the fall season ends. Okay, so we have Cheirosa 62 Sol de Janeiro. This is a beautiful, to me, vanilla fragrance, okay? This also gives you not only vanilla, gives you caramel, gives you some jasmine, some almond. This is just a beautiful piece of art. So that is Cheirosa 62, and this is the Eau de Parfum. They do have the body spray. They do have the body wash, the body butter. Like, you can get your whole life with a whole setup, okay? I have all of that. Okay, so moving on. I am bringing out this beauty, Zara Fabulous Sweet. I just wanted to do a more kind of a sweet fragrance, still giving me some fall vibes. And I also brought out this beauty, Red Vanilla from Zara. Again, some people like that, some people don't, I've heard, but I really do love it. It just deepens the vanilla for me. And so I am totally all in, all excited about wearing that, okay? Let's just go over to this beautiful green apple, Dolce Gabbana, the only one intense. This has green apple, coconut, cashmere wood. This is just a beautiful fragrance that I think I'm just going to wear, like if I have a date night, or just an event for the month of September. I think that is going to be my grab, because I don't want anything right now too heavy, because we're kind of in between that phase, that transition phase. So I don't think I want anything too heavy. So I'm going to break her out along with Carolina Herrera. Okay, and that is the Supreme version, or flanker, excuse me. It's a white floral, tonka beans in it, tuberose, vetiver. I love it, and I'm gonna get my entire September with this. If I do have an event, I am totally excited. I haven't really dove in deep with her, and I've just been waiting for this moment. This moment is here, and I'm going to take full advantage. Another date night, and don't hurt them, but you gonna hurt them fragrance, Olympia Intense. If you caught my last video, we went into a little more depth on that. I'm going to move on, but that is basically your amber vanilla orange blossom fragrance, but it is a beast mode killer. Like, you're gonna kill them,
and I will not be bullied by that.
I mean, you're gonna leave them dragons sniffing you behind. Like, it is. Okay, again, you got to have confidence to wear this. We talked about it. Get your confidence on. If you don't have no confidence, don't tap into that, okay? But I hope you have confidence, okay? Next up, I see back here, 3 Limperatrice, Dolce & Gabbana. That is your watermelon kiwi balm. It is watery. I just wanted to pull this out again. I think I'm just wanting a little bit of fruity, watered down fruity, just to kind of vibe in September. I think that's the direction I'm trying to go in. And you know your sister like a vanilla caramel. That's just not going to change. Okay. So Tom Ford Soleil Blanc Eau de Toilette. I am going to really enjoy that for September. I feel like, you know, because we're going, you know, we're getting into the fall. I just want to really right now, like early September, wear some of my still tropical fragrances. I don't want it to be too heavy though. So that's why I moved to the Eau de Toilette version, Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. Okay. Then I have Zara Tropical Boost. If you don't have this, I would really suggest picking this up. one, it's bomb, it's fruity. But two, to me, I feel like this can give a lot of layering combinations, and a lot of people are now into layering. I am very sure, I can put my money on it, that this will give you a run for your money, layering it with different fragrances that you have in your collection. Some with coconut, caramel, vanilla, even some maybe some light woody, kind of cedary fragrances too, would possibly work, just to brighten it up or sweeten it up. I think you can just have a ball with that, in my personal opinion. So then I have Narciso Rodriguez, and this is the Ambree fragrance flanker. And this has frangipani, ylang ylang, musk, amber, vanilla. This is so good. Highly suggested if you don't have it. I feel like I just got this last year or possibly the year before. It's a more recent flanker, I believe, from them, but it is really good. Highly suggest. Definitely a winner in my book. Would again suggest it for you. If you don't have it, go ahead and get that. Okay, now Guerlain La Petite Rose Noir. This is such a to me, it gives me the green vibes, but does not lean like grassy green. It's still a beautiful fragrance. I feel like it's just a delicate piece of beauty that I just again want to wear beginning of September, to just kind of on my kind of lax days or spa days or self-care days, or even getting out the shower. I think I just want to pull that out and and enjoy it. So I wanted to, put that on my tray for any self-care days I might have. Okay. Next, I have Kayali Lovefest Burning Cherry. If you missed my video, please check it out. I go into depth, but I pulled that out. I already talked about the layering combination with Vanilla 28 and the layering combination, which was a smack me in my face, of Elixir 11, which is one of my favorite Kayali fragrances, I must say. So I am going to get my entire life. I am going to also be able to come back to you all, because the one thing I did not have or review was like wear test or long lasting. So I will be able to kind of give you all more in depth on that end of what I really feel of the Lovefest Burning Cherry. But again, at first sniff, at first presentation, yes, when I got it, I was like, yep, Tom Ford Lost Cherry, see what the people are thinking about. But that dry down, again, that burning is in the background, and the cherry is like speaking to you in the forefront. So do love it. I highly suggest it. Okay, moving on. So I'm going to pull out both of my Kilian Liqueur fragrances, which is Angel Apple Brandy Kilian on the Rocks, which is a pineapple, rum, apple, cedar type of fragrance. And then I'm also going to pull out this warm apple pie right here, Angel Share Kilian. That is your warm apple pie with cinnamon. Okay, let's just keep it like that. That's what that is. So I'm gonna pull both of those out because I feel like I'm going to have a craving to wear both of those for the month of September. Okay, and last but certainly not least, of course, we just talked about her, this black currant, blue rose. This is Tiffany's rose gold. Of course, I was going to pull her out. I was going to, of course, wear her for the month of September. I just got her, so that was definitely going to be on my tray because I want to utilize her more. So that is a beauty. I'm excited to even have this fragrance. Been waiting for a little while. I'm excited that she is a part of my collection. All right. So that is all, family. This is my September tray. Let me know what you, family, are going to be wearing for the month of September. Do any of these fragrances look interesting? Are there any fragrances on this tray that you want me to go more into depth? I did not forget my girl Latanya. She wants me to do a Carolina Herrera my collection. I haven't forgot about you, sis. I just am waiting for the newest of the flankers that's going to have almond in it. Vanilla, that's like literally mouth watering when I seen it. It's a gold heel. I'm waiting for that to come on the USA side so that we can purchase that. Soon as I get it, that video will be coming. All right. But until next time, family, make sure that you subscribe, comment down below, give me the thumbs up. I greatly appreciate your support. I love you so much. And until next time, and if you see anything on this tray that you want me to review, just let me know. Okay? I got you. Love you, family. Bye, family.